So start questions of sorting materials into groups. Name 5 objects which can be made of for wood. That is table, chair, both pencils and house. Select those objects from the following with signs. That is glass bowl and steel spoon. Plastic toy and cotton shirt is not a shining object. Match the objects given below with the materials from which they could be made. Remember, an objects could be made from more than one materials, and the given materials could be used for making many objects. Okay, that is, book is a paper of a book, tumbler of a glass, chair of wood, toy is a plastic material, shoes is a leather material. State whether of statement given below are true or false. Stone is a transparent while glass is opaque. That is false. That is not a true. A notebook has luster while eraser does not. That is also false. Chalk dissolves in waters. That is also false. A piece of wood floats on water. That's true. Sugar does not dissolve in water. That is false. Oil mixed with water. That's false. Stand settles in water. That's true. Vinegar dissolves in water. That's true. Given below are the names of some objects and materials. Water, basketball, orange, sugar, globe, apple, and parchment pitcher. That's round shapes and other shapes. Basketball, globe, and earthen pitcher. Easy round shapes and other shapes. Eatable and non-eatables. Water, orange, sugar, apple, each eatable. And list all items when known to you that float on water. Check and see if they will float on or on kerosene. Okay, that answer is very simple. List of items that float and on and kerosene oil. Piece of a paper, plastic bottle and balloon. Plastic bottle, ice, and the plastic bottle, ice both. Okay, that etc. Find the odd one from the following. No. List of the that item known to you float on water. Check that is completely. Find the odd one out from the following: chair, bed, table, baby covered, cupboard. That baby is not a wood. Rose, jasmine, both marigold, lotus. Both is not the flower. Aluminium, iron, copper, silver, sand. Sand is not a material. That is not a aluminium iron. That is not a matching. Sugar, salt, copper, sulfate. Sand is not insoluble in water. Okay. If you like my video, please like and subscribe and share please.